Through the GEP Supply Chain Volatility Index, a leading economic indicator, we are tracking worldwide demand and suppliers' capacity to meet that demand through a monthly survey of 27,000 businesses. In March, demand at Asian suppliers, led by factories in China and India, rose at the strongest rate in more than 2 years. Because of Asia's prominence in global manufacturing, this is a strong indication of future growth for the manufacturing sector and global economy. Here in North America, for the first time in several years, suppliers are reporting difficulties meeting orders due to staff shortages. Our data shows that manufacturers have strong order pipelines. This does undermine the Fed's expressed desire to cut interest rates, at least in the near term. While in Europe, we are also seeing the continent's industrial recession easing, except in Germany, where manufacturers are continuing to struggle, causing a considerable drag on the entire region. Interestingly, our data continues to show no discernible impact from either the Red Sea attacks or from reduced capacity on the Panama Canal. In fact, global transportation costs fell to their lowest levels since December last year. But with the price of oil ticking up, this could change going forward. In short, we are seeing supply chains being more utilized, suppliers are busier, and input demand and manufacturing is improving. Go to gep.com/volatility to download our full report. I'm Rupa, President and founder of GEP.